AI isn't coming for every job at once. It's coming for the easiest tasks inside jobs first, and entry-level roles have a lot of those tasks. So the real question is, will AI replace entry-level jobs? It's when does AI make hiring entry-level workers way harder? Here's the realistic frame. Exposure isn't elimination. The IMF estimates about 40% of global employment is exposed to AI, and in advanced economies, it's about 60%. But roughly half of exposed jobs may benefit, while the other half could be negatively affected. Translation: lots of jobs change before they disappear. The first entry-level roles to get squeezed are the ones built on repeatable digital steps. Customer support plus call center triage. Scheduling, inbox management, basic admin. Data entry, form processing, claims intake. Simple marketing copy, basic reporting. Junior research summaries and documentation. Not because AI is smarter than humans, but because these jobs are basically workflows, and AI is getting good at workflows. Timeline prediction 1, 2026-2027. Most companies don't fully replace entry-level roles. They hire fewer and ask each person to do more using AI. Timeline prediction 2, 2028-2030. This is when entry-level gets redefined. Lots of churn. Some roles shrink, new ones appear, and the old entry-level do routine tasks, drops. While the new entry-level becomes manage the AI, verify outputs, handle exceptions, communicate with humans. What protects a job from replacement? If a role requires any mix of trust and real human accountability. Messy edge cases. Relationship building. Physical world work. Decisions with real consequences. It's harder to replace quickly. So here's the realistic answer. AI likely reduces entry-level hiring first, 2026-2027. Then reshapes what entry-level even means, 2028-2030. Not total job wipeout overnight, more like a slow squeeze than a redesign. This is AI Chronicles, like and comment for more. Now your turn. Which entry-level job do you think gets hit first? Customer support, admin work, or junior analyst roles?